Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to replace the front glass of this helmet. You can see there is lot of scratches here. Somebody dropped this helmet, so you can see the condition. And whenever your glass is in this type of condition, you can't see it properly, so you must replace it. So no need to change the whole helmet. You can get this type of glass for all brands. You can see I bought the new glass and it's very cheap, just 150 rupees for this helmet. And the process is same for all types of helmet, whether it's a half faced or full faced. So here you can see a slot is given. You can see this. So here one slot is given. Just put a screwdriver slowly, and yes, I think it is ready to come outside. Yeah, so this cap came outside very easily. Okay, so now you can see a screw is there. Before that we can't see any screw, but now we can see this screw. So just open this screw here. Okay, and when you will open this screw, again another this structure will come outside. Okay, so this structure also came outside, and you have to take care of this open circumference, and this is closed one. So we will put it like this. You can see this slot will come here. So you have to remember all these things. Okay, so this is out. Same thing other side. We have to open it. Here is the slot. You can see the slot is here, so we have to be very careful, and we don't have to put any scratch mark here. So this cap came, and again this another screw. Yes, and when this screw came outside, yeah, we can take this glass outside. You can see this glass came outside, and we can take this thing outside. See, this one came outside, and see this one is damaged. No problem, we will apply some thing. So this is not available for me, and this one is broken. No problem, and you see this is also broken. Okay, and this another one is healthy, so no need to take tension. Yeah, this one came outside. We'll keep it side. Now we'll clean this one. Yeah, just clean this one, and we will also clean this one. And here is our new glass. So yeah, here is our new glass, very nice. And we'll put this like, yes, we have to put this one here. Yes, so it is installed, and now we'll put it here like this, or before that we can put the another one here. So here is the glass. We will remove it and we will put it here. So here is the another one. Okay, and after that we'll put it here. We have to put this one here inside. Yes, and after that we will put this cap here, and must remember the open circumference and closed one. So in this slot will go, so we have to insert it here. Yes, like this. Yeah, it's matched. And now we'll put the screw here nicely. Yeah, perfect. And after that we'll put this cap here. Yes, yes. So this side it's fitted, and same thing we'll do another side here. You can see how I'm putting it here. Yes, yes. And again this circumference. Yes, and again the screw. It's tight and perfect. And this cap, you can see the 4 slots here, 1 2 3 4, and 4 legs here. So we have to put it like this, very carefully. Yeah, and it's complete. You can see now our glass is looking perfect and new. I can see it clearly. So if you have similar problem in your helmet, you can replace it like this. It is very simple. Just it will take a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and you can do it yourself. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family. And at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.